Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's headlines. Second Air India special flight arrives with 323 Indians from novel coronavirus hit Wuhan. 7 Maldivian citizens also evacuated. Second confirmed case of novel coronavirus reported from Kerala. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma sees a political vacuum in the northeast, says the National People's Party can fill the space. Congress releases its manifesto for Delhi Assembly elections, promises to bring Jan Lokpal bill. And India win the 5th and final T20 international series against New Zealand, claiming the series 5-0. The news in detail. The Air India's second special flight carrying 323 Indians from novel coronavirus hit Wuhan in China landed at Delhi airport on Sunday morning. The first special Air India flight brought 324 Indians back to India from China yesterday. Wuhan is the epicenter of the outbreak of novel coronavirus, which has killed more than 300 people in China. The first flight with 324 passengers landed in Delhi earlier yesterday. Health Minister Harsh Vardhan reviewed the preparedness for the management of novel coronavirus with senior officers of the ministry in New Delhi yesterday. 7 Maldivian citizens were also evacuated in this flight. Meanwhile, a second positive case of novel coronavirus has been reported in Kerala. The patient who has tested positive for the coronavirus is in an isolation ward in a hospital. The Health Ministry said the patient is stable and is being closely monitored. The patient has a travel history from China. Kerala Health Minister K.K. Shailaja said that the state is fully equipped to deal with the situation. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has said that there is political vacuum in the northeast and his party, the National People's Party, can fill in that empty space. Speaking to reporters during his visit to Nagaland today, Sangma said that to achieve this, the party has to demonstrate unity at all levels. Sangma also described his visit to Nagaland as one that was done more in the capacity of an NPP leader than the Chief Minister of a state. Sangma added that his visit was to primarily take stock of the political situation in the state of Nagaland and evaluate the prospects of and construct a future roadmap for his party, the NPP, which is the first party from the northeast to be recognized as a national party. Sangma already held a meeting with his Nagaland counterpart and the Nagaland governor where various issues such as the budget were discussed.
There are any issues that are there that need to be ironed out, should be done at the earliest. And we feel very strongly that given the situation that is there in the northeast as a whole and in Nagaland particularly, there is a political vacuum and NPP is in a very strong position to pull up that vacuum. We are a party that is one of the first parties in the northeast to be recognized as a national party.
Delhi Congress today said it will bring Jan Lokpal bill aimed at eliminating corruption within 6 months if it is voted to power. Releasing the party manifesto in New Delhi, Delhi Congress Chief Subhash Chopra said the party will provide 33% reservation in government jobs to women. He said the Congress will spend 25% of its budget for pollution control in the national capital. An NEECL transformer located at Jhalupara cantonment area on the way to TB hospital caught fire this morning, and as a result the transformer and power supply cable was burned down. Power supply to localities of Mauba and Jhalupara cantonment area were affected due to the incident. Some people of the area suspected to be a foul play by some miscreants who were drinking and making nuisance in the area. An FIR was lodged with the Jhalupara Beat House and an investigation is on to ascertain the cause of fire. Truly living up to unity and discipline, the motto of NCC, the NCC cadets under the Northeastern Region Directorate stood together in their victory march as they stole the limelight in the Republic Day camp by bagging trophies in the PM's rally, Guard of Honor, flag area and national integration awareness presentation. Never before in the history of the Northeastern Region has the NCC had any contingent which has won so many awards or been adjudged best overall contingent in the Republic Day camp of the 17 contingents from all over India. On their arrival at Kamakhya railway station, the team was given a rousing welcome. In sports, India has won the toss and elected to bat against New Zealand in the fifth and final T20 international at Mount Maunganui. Chasing the target of 164 runs today, the hosts fell short. The hosts fell short of 7 runs in the allotted 20 overs, losing 9 wickets. Jasprit Bumrah, who took 3 wickets conceding just 12 runs, was named the man of the match. K. Rahul was the player of the series. Ross Taylor, who was playing his 100th T20 international, made another 50 and took the game deep, but couldn't get them across the line yet again. Earlier, the visitors won the toss and elected to bat first. They made 163, losing 3 wickets. Stand-in captain Rohit Sharma top scored with 60 before retiring hurt. Here's the weather report in Shillong. The maximum temperature was 14 degrees Celsius, with the minimum temperature dipping to 2.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 58%, rising to 78% in the evening with no rainfall. The weather forecast shows us Shillong and its adjoining areas will have partly cloudy skies. And for our viewers who missed out, here's a recap of today's headlines. Second Air India special flight arrives with 323 Indians from novel coronavirus hit Wuhan. 7 Maldivian citizens also evacuated. Second confirmed case of novel coronavirus reported from Kerala. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma sees a political vacuum in the northeast, says the National People's Party can fill in the space. Congress releases its manifesto for the Delhi Assembly elections, promises to bring Jan Lokpal Bill. And India win the 5th and final T20 international series against New Zealand, claiming the series 5-0. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a great evening.